In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify online store, giving it a unique and personalized touch that represents your brand. Let's dive right in and get started on making your storefront as compelling as possible. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Shopify. Once you're there, you'll be able to access all the necessary tools and features to manage and personalize your online store. Make sure you're logged into your account to have full access to all the capabilities we'll be exploring today. Once you're logged into your Shopify dashboard, look for the Online Store option in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will open up a set of options that relate to designing and configuring the appearance of your online store. Within the Online Store section, you'll want to click on Customize. This is the gateway to all the customization options that Shopify offers for your storefront design. Now that you're in the customization area, you'll notice a range of settings you can adjust. To get started, click on Home Page at the top. This choice brings you to the main area of your site where most visitors will land first. But importantly for today's focus, you'll want to further click on Checkout. This is where you can tailor the customer experience when they make a purchase, ensuring it's as smooth and on-brand as possible. Within the checkout settings, you have multiple elements that you can tweak to your liking. For example, you can add a banner. This could be a promotional message or a thank you note to customers to add a personal touch. You can set the position where this banner will appear, making sure it's prominently placed. Exploring further, consider the logo size setting. Here, you can adjust the scale of your logo to make sure it stands out and leaves a lasting impression. A well-sized logo reinforces brand recognition, so take the time to experiment with this feature until it feels just right. Background color is another customizable feature that should not be overlooked. A cohesive color palette not only enhances the aesthetics of your store, but also ensures that customers have a visually pleasing shopping experience. You'll also find options to modify form fields, which lets you tailor the information you request from your customers during checkout, ensuring you gather necessary details while keeping the process straightforward. Finally, don't forget to customize the order summary. This is where customers review their purchase, and having a clear, concise summary can reduce order errors and increase satisfaction. After making your adjustments, preview the changes to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Once you're pleased with the customization, all that's left is to save your settings, and just like that, you're done. Your Shopify store is now personalized, optimized, and ready to offer an engaging shopping experience.